Alright, welcome, and in today's video we're going to show you how to unbox the Grandstream GRP 2624. So you're going to open up the box, you're going to find the instruction manual. That is for your reference. You can keep it or not. Unbag the phone itself. Then you're going to take all of the plastic wrapping off of the phone cord. You're going to take note that the phone cord has two different sizes to it. One on each end. There's a long part and a short part. The long port actually goes to the back of the phone into the phone port. It gets wound through that plastic groove, and then the other part will connect to your handset. Then inside is a power cord. You can use this if you don't have a PoE switch. That power cord would get plugged into this port right here. If you have a PoE switch, then you do not need to plug this in. You can plug in your Ethernet port right to here, and then your PC would plug into this. So it acts like a mini switch. And then you have an extra Ethernet cord, and this just connects right into, you can have several different layers or sizes, so that way you can determine how high or what angle you want the phone, and it just snaps right in. And so then when you turn the phone over, it then will be at the correct angle. So thank you very much.